Ever invested your spare change and watched it magically grow into something more? If you're nodding, chances are you're an Acorns user. But what happens when you need that money? How do you actually get your hands on it? That's the burning question, isn't it? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of Acorns withdrawals. Understanding Acorns. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what Acorns is. For those new to the game, Acorns is an investment app that rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. It's like having a tiny, money-growing tree in your pocket. Over time, those little acorns can turn into a mighty oak of savings. Why would you withdraw? Now, you might be thinking, why would I want to withdraw my money? Isn't the whole point of investing to let it grow? And you're absolutely right. Investing for the long term is generally the best strategy. But life happens. Maybe you're saving for a down payment on a house, a dream vacation, or facing an unexpected emergency. Whatever the reason, knowing how to access your money is crucial. Withdrawal options. Alright, let's talk options. Acorns offers a few different ways to get your money out. Instant withdrawal. This is like hitting the fast forward button on your withdrawal. You can pull out up to $1,000 instantly. However, there's a catch: it's not free. Acorns charges a fee for this service. So, while it's convenient, it might not be the cheapest option. Standard withdrawal. If you're not in a rush, the standard withdrawal is your go-to. It usually takes a few business days for the money to hit your bank account. This is the most common and often the cheapest method. ACH transfer, similar to the standard withdrawal, but you'll need to provide your bank account information for the transfer. Step-by-step guide. Let's break down how to initiate a withdrawal. Log in. First things first, log into your Acorns account. Find the withdrawal option. Look for the withdraw or transfer button. It's usually pretty easy to spot. Choose your method. Decide if you want an instant, standard, or ACH withdrawal. Enter the amount. Specify how much money you want to withdraw. Confirm. Double-check everything before hitting that submit button. Important considerations. Before you hit that withdrawal button, there are a few things to keep in mind. Fees. As mentioned, instant withdrawals come with a fee. Be aware of any other potential charges. Tax implications. Withdrawing money before you're ready can have tax consequences. Consider consulting with a financial advisor. Investment goals. Remember why you started investing in the first place. A withdrawal might impact your long-term financial plans. Alternatives to withdrawal. Instead of withdrawing, you might consider these alternatives. Partial withdrawal. Sell only a portion of your investments to meet your needs. Investment loans. Some investment platforms offer loans against your portfolio. Rebalancing. Adjust your investment allocation to free up cash without selling. Conclusion. Withdrawing money from Acorns isn't rocket science, but understanding your options and the potential implications is key. Remember, while it's good to have access to your money, impulsive withdrawals can hinder your long-term financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.